Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of my 12 cards of Christmas. Today we're going to be doing some stamping. I'm using a stamp set from Heidi Swap, which has got the lovely, lots of lovely foliage, and I'm going to create a wreath. So to help me do that, I'm using 2 products from UK companies actually. Mama Makes have this product called the Ulti-mate, which is this acrylic guide really that helps me create a wreath design very easily. And then the stamp platform I'm using is Horton Ulti-mate. This is only available in the UK. I'll put all the details in the description box on YouTube. She does have a different version for the US that is for stenciling. So I'll put all the details in the description box if you're interested, because I know it looks lovely. So what I'm doing is using that acrylic Ulti-mate as a guide, and I'm repeat stamping. All I'm doing is turning my card in that template, and this is going to give me a perfect wreath. So I've finished with that one, and there's loads of different elements in this stamp set, so I'm moving on. I should mention the ink pads I'm using actually. These are Concord and 9th cubes. I really like the colours of these, so I'm going to use a light brown for this branch, and it's exactly the same thing again. There are different notches on this Ulti-mate. You can do your images closer together if you want, you know, if you were just repeating one stamp, say. But I'm keeping it simple by just literally moving it to the next corner of the card, if that makes sense. I'm not overcomplicating it. So I'm just working out, I want another branch, but I think that one's a bit too big. So I'm going to go with this one, and for this one I'm going to go with a bit of a, I want a kind of ice spruce type colour, so I'm going to go with an aqua for this one. So you can see how quick and easy it is to do a wreath using this tool. It just takes all the guesswork out of it and keeps your wreath circular, because by doing it by hand, even if you're pretty good at that, it's really hard to not end up with a bit of a wonky wreath. So this is fabulous. So for the next layer, I'm just going to add some berries. I could add more foliage if I wanted to, but I want quite a simple wreath. And for the berries, I could do these by hand really. I don't necessarily need to do them with the tool, because they might even look better actually if I just did them a bit randomly, but I didn't think of that till afterwards. So that's the berries. I've done those in cranberry red, and now I'm just going to pop a sentiment in the centre. So I'm going to take out my Ulti-mate and just pop that into the corner, and then there's this lovely joyful sentiment in this set, so I'm going to stamp that in the centre with black. And next I'm going to just mount this on some patterned cardstock. I've got some Sizzix Christmas cardstock, which I'm going to pop onto a craft card. Again, keeping it quite simple. This has just got a nice foliage sort of pattern to it, which will tie in nicely with the wreath. And that's my card finished for today. I hope you've enjoyed card 2 of the series. I'll be back in a couple more days with card 3. Don't forget to subscribe, because obviously we've got quite a few more cards yet to come. And thanks for joining me. And also check out the description box on YouTube if you're interested in any of these products. I'll list everything there. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye.